Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make funnel cake without pancake mix. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large mixing bowl. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined and lump-free. This ensures an even distribution of leavening and seasoning throughout your batter. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once combined, slowly pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Whisk continuously until a smooth batter forms. Avoid overmixing, as this can lead to a tough funnel cake. The batter should be thick enough to drizzle, but not too thin. Next, we'll get ready to fry. Pour about 3 inches of vegetable oil into a large, deep pan or Dutch oven. Heat the oil to 375 degrees F. You'll need a funnel with a 1/2 inch opening at the bottom. Place your thumb over the opening, then pour about 1/2 cup of batter into the funnel. Have a wire rack ready, placed over paper towels, to drain the fried cakes. Carefully release the batter into the hot oil, moving the funnel in a circular, overlapping pattern to create the classic funnel cake shape. Fry each side for about 60 seconds, or until it's a beautiful golden brown. Use tongs to carefully remove the funnel cake and place it on the prepared wire rack to drain excess oil. Finish with a generous dusting of powdered sugar and serve warm for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.